Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to predict which ones will explode after the Budget 2026 announcement. The budget announcement is a huge deal for stock prices, as it often brings new initiatives, tax changes, and government spending plans that can significantly impact various industries and companies. Investors are always on the lookout for stocks that could benefit from these changes, but it's not always easy to predict which ones will take off. Uncertainty is a big challenge investors face when trying to predict which stocks will benefit from the upcoming budget. There are so many factors to consider, from government policies to economic trends, and it's hard to know how it will all play out. This uncertainty can lead to volatility in the market, making it tough to make informed decisions. To make matters worse, there's always a risk that the budget announcement might not live up to expectations, which can cause stock prices to plummet. And let's not forget that investors have different goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategies, which can influence their stock picks. The budget can have a significant impact on various sectors and industries. For instance, if the government announces initiatives to boost infrastructure development, construction and materials stocks might see a surge. Similarly, if there's a focus on renewable energy, companies in that space might experience significant growth. We might also see increased spending on healthcare, education, or technology, which could benefit stocks in those areas. Sectors like defense, aerospace, and cybersecurity could also see some action, depending on the government's priorities. My top stock pick is companies involved in electric vehicles and renewable energy. As the world shifts towards cleaner energy sources, these companies are well positioned to benefit from government initiatives and changing consumer behavior. Another pick is stocks in the construction and materials sector, as increased infrastructure spending could drive growth. I also like companies in the technology space, particularly those involved in AI, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. And finally, I'm keeping an eye on healthcare stocks, as an aging population and increased focus on healthcare could drive growth in this sector. To recap, we've discussed the potential impact of the Budget 2026 announcement on stock prices and highlighted key sectors and industries that could see significant changes. We've also revealed my top stock picks that I believe will experience substantial growth following the budget announcement. If you have any thoughts on my stock picks or want to share your own, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more investment insights and updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.